At the heart of every great space is precision, passion, and the power to deliver beyond expectations. At Hangerspace Interior Solutions, we bring this vision to life. With a 150,000 square feet manufacturing facility and over 10 years of experience, we stand among the leading modular interior manufacturers. With more than 100,000 homes delivered, we specialize in executing both residential and commercial turnkey projects, from concept and design to manufacturing and final installation. Our philosophy is simple: to deliver cost-effective, high-quality, and highly functional spaces that create real value for our customers. Our design excellence lies in creating spaces, enhancing the way people live and work. We source premium raw materials and hardware from approved vendors, with every component undergoing stringent quality checks before entering production. No panel is processed without machine-defined programs, ensuring every operation follows exact specifications with complete accuracy. Powered by advanced imported machinery, our manufacturing systems maintain a minimal precision tolerance, delivering high consistency across every component. Each panel is assigned a barcode for complete machine traceability throughout the production process. Every component passes through multiple stages of quality inspection to verify dimensions, finish, hardware fitment, and overall workmanship before dispatch. Once approved, the materials are carefully packed with protective layers and identification labels to avoid damage during handling and transportation. From raw materials to finished spaces, from ideas to execution, every detail reflects our commitment to precision, quality, and innovation. This is modular manufacturing at its finest. This is Hangerspace Interior Solutions.